Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have Rancilio Silvia. This machine was brought in because it was feeling the heat. We discovered that the heating element had gone bad, and so we went ahead and replaced that, and at the same time replaced the gasket for the boiler, because you have to basically pull the boiler in half in order to get to the heating element. And so we have done all of that, and it's working and heating, functioning once again. So let's test it. Stop at about 2 ounces. Looking great. Let's try some hot water here. Wand. Nice hot water coming through. Alright. Close that and turn on the steam. You can see a little water leaking out back here, but that's just the discharge that comes out here. The machine was brought in without the drip tray. If the drip tray was there, it would be catching that, but because the drip tray is missing, it's just kind of falling out the bottom, so normal behavior. Just give this maybe 10-15 more seconds. Purge water first, and steam will follow. Looking good. Have a little more pressure if we waited for the boiler to heat back up again after pulling that shot. But overall, everything is working just fine, heating, and as normal. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.